Hey guys, Matt here, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing this Schrodokin scraper tool. This has been so useful for a renovation project I'm doing, and comes with these spare blades, 10 to be exact, spare blades. And here's what it looks like. You can tell I've gotten busy using this a ton, especially scraping off paint. So one of my favorite uses for this is when there is this gunk right here, extra paint, scrapes right off. And look at all that debris that just got. Absolutely unreal for cleaning windows. And it really, really does the job so well. Have scraped so many windows, shower doors, you name it. And with just a rough little clean, after a while, the blades do wear down, and that's clearly why these spare blades are included, or just if they get too dirty, they start just not scraping as smooth. But man, the blades come oiled already. They're super clean and fresh, ready to go. It has been a treat to use and saves so much time having that extra thickness compared to like a utility blade or anything. And it's way easier to hold like this instead of having to pinch a utility blade, for example. So love it. Great tool for scraping windows and shower doors and so on. Has been awesome to me. Hope this helps. See you on the next one.